So somebody forgot to record what the hair looked like after they finish doing the hair on the doll's head. I guess it's not a doll. I guess it's a mannequin or whatever. Like the head thing, whatever it's called. I wonder who that was. Alrighty, guys. Who is ready to start this hair crimping tutorial? I am. I hope you guys are too. Alright, so first and foremost, what you want to do is comb your hair. Whether it's a wig or weave or your natural hair, you want to make sure you comb it out. Start from the ends, from the bottom, and comb your way to the top. What I mean is you want to try to detangle your knots from the bottom of your hair to the top. This way you will prevent breakage and prevent damage. All right, guys, next you want to section your hair into, I would say, at least 2 sides. Sometimes I even do 4, depending on what I'm doing, but definitely at least 2. I know for me it just makes me feel like I have less hair to do, and also it just makes it more convenient when I'm parting the hair, especially if I'm doing my own hair. You know, it's not always the easiest to make a straight part, so separate that hair into 2 sides. Make your job a little easier. Okay, so right there you saw I put a little bit of protectant on the hair. So you want to make sure you apply heat protectant, whether it is a wig, a weave, your real hair. You need to put a protectant on it. I use the Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil, the same oil that I used in my hair when I did a blowout. You could take a way cheaper route than I did, though, because let me tell you, that oil was not cheap. It was every bit of what, $15, $20. So if you go to your local beauty store, you could find a good heat protectant for probably $5, $6. So definitely get your heat protectant. Yep. All right, so after applying the heat protectant, which is also going to prevent breakage, prevent damage, make sure that you get you some holding spray. Spritz. What's another word for it? Pump it up. Y'all remember Pump It Up from back in the day? Hey, to each his own, boo. Do you, boo? Do you? If y'all see that yellow can in the back, that's my got to be glued, and I actually use that. And if you see how defined those crimps are? That Pump It Up, not Pump It Up. That gotta be glued helped a sister out. It got them real defined, popping, looking good. Y'all also know when you are spraying the spritz or the holding spray, whichever kind you use, not to spray a whole lot. Not only does it get all over your crimping irons, but it can also, you know, it could damage your hair. So just use a nice little spritz, a nice little spray all over. And you see how I'm holding the hair up? I'm not pulling on the hair. I'm holding it up as I'm crimping it. Yeah, that helps to keep your crimps. It helps to set that crimp instead of it looking flat or whatever. Not crimpy, I guess, for lack of better words. So yeah. We're almost done, guys. We are almost done. Hey, by the way, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Would you wear crimps? Would you try this style? Also, let me let you guys know that whoever has the comment that gets the most amount of likes, I'm gonna shout you out in the next video. So go ahead, down below, do it now, go ahead. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Share this video with everybody. Even folks who wouldn't crimp their hair, share it anyway. Send it to them. So you want to start at the top of your head, as close to the scalp as possible. But you see where I just started? That's probably a good spot for you guys to start if you're going to do your real hair. You can start up closer to the scalp, but just remember that even if you don't touch your scalp with the crimping irons, the steam from the crimping irons could kind of burn your scalp. So just be careful, y'all. But you can do it, boo. Do it yourself, boo. Yes. So we are pretty much done, guys. Don't forget, once again, like, subscribe, share this video. I love you guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in with your girl. Do it yourself, boo. This is the hair after about 3 days. I kind of got it over to the side, kind of like a killer 80s do. Let's something. Maybe like early 90s, but I say more like 80s. Yeah. Anyway, the crimps came out really good. They actually, like I said, it's been in my head for like 3 days. Actually, today is day 4. It is. Today is day 4, and y'all, I sleep like a wildebeest, so I would say that they held up very, very well. The hair, you see how long it is. So it comes to my boobs. It's a 20-inch, yeah. It was body wave when I bought the hair. Came jet black, 1B, body wave. It's either 18 or 20 inches, y'all. I apologize. Mega look. I took it up to this color using a 30 volume and the bleach, the powder bleach. Kaleidoscope. I think it's made by Revlon. Anyway, yeah, and it took it up to this color. I thought it was gonna be blonde. Because that's what I wanted it to be. But when it came out this color, I was like, okay, I could be Ariel, that's fine. You know what I'm saying? I could be Ariel of Alabama. So this is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell notification when you subscribe, and please leave me comments. Let me know what y'all think about the hair. Let me know what you think about crimps. Would you wear crimps? I actually gotta give my co-worker, Miss Peyton, some credit, because I actually stole the idea from her. She came to work with some crimps in her hand. I was like, I like that, girl. Let me get that from you. Let me borrow that do. So thanks, Miss Peyton. All right, guys, y'all have a blessed rest of your day. Stay covered in the blood of Jesus. Till next time. All right, all my DIYers.